Welcome to qnawire.
2 problems, 5 and 6, to answer. And I'm just using Excel to organize the data so that you can see the numbers and why I'm using what I'm using. I will explain everything, but you do not need Excel to do this. I'm just using it as an organization method. You can totally use pen and paper. So it says create a stem and leaf plot of the variable how long. Round your numbers accordingly so that you can plot one digit in your leaf column and use a key with your plot. What can you say about the shape of the resulting distribution or location of the data points? Use percentages in your description if needed. What information can you draw from the data related to this variable? Okay, so for this, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to place these numbers in order from least to greatest. So for the values that are to 2 decimal places, I'm going to, like 0.25, I'm going to use 0.3. So then this one's 0.3. And then for 0.75, I'm going to round up and use 0.8. So these ones are 0.8, 0.8. Okay, and so for this, for my stem, and then I have my leaf. And I'm going to have these underlined. So it looks more like a stem and leaf. And I'm also going to make this bigger so that you can see. And I'm going to do a right border, okay? So my key would be 0 and then the line. So 0 and then the line. And say it's 1, it equals 0.1. Equals, oops, 0.1. Okay, so this is my key. And I'm going to do this. Put it this way. And then my middle line, or I'll just put one line right here. There we go. So I have 0, and then I have 1 space. There's 4 ones, 2, 3, 4. And then 3, 3. And then I'm going to move on to 0.5, 0.5. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then there is 3 8s. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then for my ones, there is 1. And then there is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, oops, I didn't mean to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then for 2s, there is 2 2s and 1 3. So that's 0, 0, and then 1 3, and then a 0. And I'm going to, this is going to go all the way this way, and I'm going to put border here. There we go. So here is my stem and leaf plot. I'm just going to put one box going around it, and left and bottom. And that's the bottom and the top. There we go. Okay. So, and then here's my key. And I'm just going to move this over. So 0, and then the line in 1 equals 0.1. 1, we can also say that 1, and then the 0 here equals 1. And I'm just going to put these here. Okay. So there's my stem and leaf. So then with my, so I have my key, my stem and leaf, and then it says, what can you say about the shape of the resulting distribution? So we can say that the shape shows that it is skewed right. We can also say that, so there's 35 values. Is it 35? Hold on, 34. There's 34 values. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 15 out of 34 are between 15 out of 34, which is, because it said percentages, 15 divided by 34, 44%, which is 44%. 44% are between 0.5 and 0.8. So that's this first one. Then the next one, it has talkprof, and it wants you to create a frequency table. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take these scores and I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. And they range from 1 to 7. So I'm going to do 1 to 2, 1, 2, 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and then 1 to 3, 5 to 6, 5 to 6, and then that does not say 6, that says 7. And then I'm going to use from 7 to 8. Okay. Oops. And what we can say too is 5 to less than 3. Less than 3. And then we can say 3 to less than 5. 3 to less than 5. And this is going to be 5 to less than 7. I think that's a proper way how to put this because we do have some decimals. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tally them. So 1, 2, 3 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it's 25. And I'm just going to center this. Then 3 to less than 5. So that's 1, 2. That's 2. And then 5 to 7. 5 to less than 7 is 0. And then 7 to less than 9, it should say. Less than 9. And I did not center these ones. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm going to total up all of these. So 25 plus 2 is 7. So 27 plus 7 is 34. Then to get my relative frequency, I'm going to take my tally of 25 and divide that by 34. My tally of 2 and divide that by 34. My tally of 0 and divide that by 34. My tally of 7 and divide that by 34. And I'm just going to round each one of these to the hundredths place. Then my cumulative frequency, if I add up all of these numbers, I'm going to get 1. So 0.74 plus 0.6 plus 0.0 plus 0.21 is 6. Then I'm going to take my cumulative frequency, and I'm going to get, so equals my first relative frequency. Then I'm going to add 0.06 plus this number, plus 0.07. Then I'm going to take 0.79, and then I add it to 0. Then I'm going to take 0.79, and I'm going to add that to 0.21. And then my relative cumulative frequency is, I'm going to take my percentages. So so I'm going to take this and divide it by this. And then this and divide it by this. And then this and divide it by this whole number 1. And then this and divide it by that same number. Okay. So I hope that this video has helped. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.